How to remove iCloud activation lock. So basically, Apple decided to go and add an iCloud activation lock to go and stop the stolen just being wiped and then being sold on for a profit. So it is basically designed to go and stop them all. For that, what you need to do is open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now go on the search bar and type iCloud activation lock removal. Then you want to scroll down a little bit and tap on Apple support, which is how to remove activation lock. As soon as you do that, it's going to go and give us a bit information about it. Now here what we need to do is we just need to tap on start an activation lock support request, which is in blue color. We can clearly see it. All we need to do is just tap on it. So as soon as we do that, we'll reach to this page. Now it will give an option of reset your password at I forgot, but here we do not want to do that. We just want to scroll down a little bit and then we want to tap on get started. Now it will again give a short information about how to remove iCloud action activation lock. Now you just want to go and scroll down and go through the informations. So these all things are required to remove an activation lock. Now there are terms and conditions that you need to agree to do that. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom and then check the box I agree to this term and condition. Then tap on continue. Now here what we need to do is fill up the following information, that is enter your phone's email and then enter your phone's serial number. If you don't know the serial number, you will have it beside your iPhone box and then type IMEI number and then tap on continue. I really hope this video helped you out. That is how you remove iCloud activation lock. Thank you so much for watching till the end.